Hello everyone. Now it's time for maths. And in maths, we are doing the first chapter, that is place value. And in the previous video, we had seen the greater number and smaller number. Now we will see ordering numbers. First of all, we will see descending order. When we arrange numbers in descending order, that is from greatest to smallest, it is also called descending order. In previous videos, we had seen the numbers, that is greatest to smallest, that is called descending order. मतलब बड़े से छोटे नंबर को अगर हम अरेंज करते हैं, हम वो बड़े से छोटे नंबर की सीक्वेंस में अगर उसको अरेंज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर फॉर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर you can say greatest to smallest. These are the four tallest mountain peak in India. Rearrange them from the highest to the lowest. Now here these are the four mountain peaks and the height of that mountain peaks are given, and we have to arrange according to the height, means highest to lowest. So here are four numbers: 7756 meter, 8586 meters, 7824 meter, and 7672 meters. These are the four heights of the mountain peak, that is Kamet, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, and Sasir Kangril. Now we have to arrange these in highest to smallest. So first of all, we will see at the thousands place. So in three numbers there is 7 only, but in one number 8 is there. So obviously 8 is bigger than 7. So first number will be 8586. Then second we will see at the hundreds place. What is it? In the hundreds place there are 7, 5, 8 and 6. So once again 8 is bigger in all the places at 100. So second biggest number, that is 7824. And then afterward, after 7 at the hundreds place, one more number is there, 7756. So that will be third biggest number, and the last number, that is 7672, that is the smallest. So like see, we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. We will start from greater number to smaller number, and firstly we have to see at the thousands place, afterward we will see at hundreds place, and then tens and ones. So in descending order it is 8586, then 7824, then 7756, and then at the last 7672. Now we will see ascending order. Ascending order, that is exactly opposite of descending order. Means when we arrange numbers in increasing order, that is from smallest to greatest, it is also called ascending order. In ascending order, what will we do? We have to arrange the number in smallest to greatest. Now arrange 3295, 7659, 3265 and 8654 in ascending order. Now see, these are the four numbers, and whenever we are writing these numbers, whatever the number we decide for the smallest number, we will write over there, and then we will cut that number from the list. So there will be no confusion. Okay. As here it is written, keep crossing out numbers as you write them from smallest to greatest. In ascending order, we are writing smallest to greatest numbers. So firstly, what will we see? At the thousands place, 3, 7, 3 and 8. So 2 3s are there. So in that we have to see the smallest number. So 3295 and here 3265. So 3265, that is the smallest number that we will write first, and from the list we will strike it out. Then second, we will see the next number from there, that is the same 3295. So we will write like this and we will strike out that number. Then now two numbers are there, 7659 and 8654. So from these we will see smallest number first. So 7 and 8 both are there. So of course 7 is smaller. So we will write that number in the list here, and at the end we will write 8654. So this is ascending order. Now I hope all of you understood that what is ascending and descending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest, or smaller to bigger, and descending means bigger to smaller. It is very easy. Now a challenge is there that you have to do by yourself. That is your homework. Here what it is given. I am a 4-digit number. Who am I? My ones digit is 3, tens digit is 3 more than my ones digit, my hundreds digit is 3 less than my ones digit, the sum of all my 4 digit is 10. So I am the number. Here you have to write the number from these clues. So this you can do by yourself and you have to try it by yourself. And now we will go to the next page. Here is the exercise for ascending and descending order. This we will do in the online class. Okay. And now we will see the next topic for this today's paper, today's subject, that is building numbers. Now what is building numbers? Here we will see India got its freedom in the year 1947. The digits in these number are 1, 9, 4 and 7. Now, greatest number. How will you arrange these digits to make the greatest number possible? ये जो नंबर दिया है उसको, उसमें से अगर आपको कोई ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाना है तो आप कैसे बनाएंगे? तो फर्स्टली व्हाट विल वी सी, दैट इज सी 4 डिजिट्स आर देयर 1 9 4 7, और अगर इसमें से कोई बड़ा नंबर यानी कि ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाना है, फॉर दैट व्हाट विल वी डू, वी विल select the greatest number from these four numbers 1 9 4 7. उसमें से जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है वो हम पहले लिखेंगे. So firstly we will write 9. Afterward उसके बाद डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हमें देखना है. Then which number will be there? 7, then 4 and 1. So to build the greatest number, write the digits in descending order, or we can say decreasing order, that is biggest to smallest. So like this we can write this number 1947 1947. उसमें से अगर आपको कोई भी greatest number निकालना है तो वो आएगा 9741. Same here the second example. The descending order of this digit is, जो ये जो नंबर दिया है 9363, उसमें से हमें डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस डिजिट वो हमें कैसे करना है? सबसे पहले हमें ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर देखना है, दैट विल बी 9, उसके बाद 6 and then we will write 2 3. So the number will be 9633. That is the greatest number possible using this डिजिट्स. मतलब ये 4 डिजिट का यूज करके आप सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा निकाल सकते हैं? सो दैट इज गिवन 9633. So from these number you can do the greatest number. Whatever the numbers are given, if we have to write the greatest number from that number, first of all we have to see the biggest number and then we will go to the smallest number. So you have to remember, for the greatest number we will go to the biggest to smallest. For the descending order. Okay, and now we will see smallest number. Now for the smallest number, what will we do? Rearrange the digits 1947 to make the smallest number possible now. अब ये जो चार नंबर्स है 1479, उसको हमें स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट में अगर लिखना है तो कौन सा नंबर बनेगा? तो फॉर दैट व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल डू to build the smallest number, write the digits in ascending order, means smallest to biggest. मतलब कि ये जो नंबर है उसको हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से स्टार्ट करके बिगेस्ट नंबर तक जाएंगे. सो दैट फॉर दैट वी विल राइट 1, 4, 7 and 9. We can't write here 1, 7, 4, 9. Okay, because we have to write it in a order. So 1, 4, 7, 9. So this is the sequence for write the smallest number, that smallest to biggest. Then second number, that is the ascending order of these digits is, see here second number is given 5, 4, 7, 5. The ascending order of this digit is 4. सबसे पहले हमें स्मॉलर नंबर लेना है, so 4 will be there. Then 2 times 5 are there, so we will write that number like this 5, 5, and then at the last biggest number, that is 7. So 4507 is the smallest 4-digit number possible using these digits. And I hope all of you understood this smallest and biggest number from the given numbers. Now what will we do? Watch out for the zeros. Use the digits 5, 0 and 2 to build the greatest number, greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers possible. अब हमें देखना है कि ये जो 3 डिजिट दिए हैं 5, 2, 5, 0 and 2, तो उसमें से हम ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर और स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कैसे बनाएंगे? तो सबसे पहले हमें ये 3 डिजिट का यूज करके करना है. तो सबसे पहले ग्रेटर नंबर देखेंगे, so that is 5, then 2 and afterward 0. In a decreasing order we will write 5, 2, 0, that will be greatest number. Now we have to see the smallest number and we have to use 3-digit number also. We can't write 0 first because 3-digit number we have to form. That is why smallest number will be 2, 0 and 5. Since we want to use all these digits, we cannot make 0 to 5, which is really 25, a 2-digit number. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि अगर 3 डिजिट नंबर का हमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है तो सबसे पहले हम 0 नहीं लिख सकते, बिकॉज अगर 0 to 5 लिखेंगे तो द नंबर विल बी 25 ओनली. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2 ओनली. ओके, so I hope all of you understood. Here form the smallest 4-digit number. These are the numbers that is given, so you all can try by yourself. And yes, when building the greatest number, can you tell why are we putting the biggest digit at the greatest place? Why are we putting the smallest digit at the greatest place while building the smallest number? जब भी हम ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें बड़ा नंबर रखना होता है, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर. एंड व्हेनेवर वी आर राइटिंग द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, वी हैव टू राइट द smallest digit first whenever we are building the number. So I hope all of you understood this, and of course we will revise it again in the online class, and we will do the exercise in the online class. And if you have any doubt and if you don't understand, you can ask me in the class. Okay, when after watching the video you read these 2 pages from the book also, so you can understood it very well. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.